The FYI is designed to help you find your interests. Knowing your work-related interests will help you find a career field that you like and increase your chances of job satisfaction. This tutorial demonstrates how to take the FYI and explains what the survey results mean. First, log in at asvabprogram.com to access the My ASVAB CEP dashboard. To access the FYI, select Take the FYI on the Learn About Yourself tab. All of FYI items are multiple choice and give you 3 answers to choose from. Choose L if you would like to do the activity. Choose D if you would not like to do the activity. Choose I if you don't care one way or the other. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. Just enter a response based on your likes and dislikes, not how well you think you will do on an activity. There are 90 items in all. You must answer each question. When you're ready to begin, select the Get Started button. Notice that the definition of the answer options is always displayed on the screen. After you've responded to all items, you have the option to select your sex. Selecting your sex can reveal more information about your unique top interests. If you did not select a sex, only combined results will display. If you did select a sex, you will see 2 sets of scores. One set is your combined score. This score shows your top interest codes as compared to all other students who have taken the FYI. The second set shows your top interest codes as compared to other students of the same sex. You may notice that some of your interest codes are different in these 2 sets of scores. And you might be wondering, why do I have sex-specific scores at all? Here's why. Growing up, you might have developed different skills because of experiences related to your biological sex. For instance, you might have gotten certain messages from society and the media about what careers are appropriate for you. These factors may have influenced your interests. For example, a male student may have a relatively low social score when compared with all students, but a much higher social score when compared with other males. Likewise, a female student may have a relatively low realistic score when compared with all students, but a much higher realistic score when compared with other females. Your sex-specific scores may offer you some new ideas about your interests. If this is the case, you may want to explore occupations that include these interest areas. To get a better understanding of what each interest code means, read the descriptions of each interest area on the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that your interest codes indicate your interest areas at this time in your life. As you gain more experience and exposure to new activities, your top interest codes may change. Next, choose the interest code set you think fits you best and select the appropriate list. You can return to this page and select the other set of interest codes at any time. After you have completed the FYI, you can retake the FYI one more time or select Start Exploring to begin exploring careers in the OccuFind. After you take the FYI, your chosen interest codes will always display when you log into My ASVAB CEP in the future. You can take the FYI a total of 2 times. Just select Retake the FYI on the Learn About Yourself tab. Now you are ready to take the FYI.